morning, Scots. I'm Lee.
Happy Friday. I'm Ian, and let's get into some announcements.
Prom is around the corner. Do you need a poster for your promposal? ASB has got you covered. Stop by the Activities and Athletics office to pick up a poster order form. Large posters are $8 and small posters are $5.
Junior and seniors. Powder Puff permission slips are now available. If you would like to participate in this year's Powder Puff game, either playing, coaching, or cheering, stop by the Activities/Athletics office to pick up a form. If you have any questions, please see Mr. Gutierrez.
Calling all juniors and seniors. Are you looking to have a fun way to win 2 free prom bids? Then you should apply to be in the Big Scot on campus.
What is the Big Scot on campus, you may ask?
What is it, Ian?
Well, the Big Scot on campus is a pageant to show your school spirit, talent, and interview skills. To apply, scan the QR code. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Nielsen in room 14I.
Now it's time for a commercial break.
Pride to give your best to your best. Leadership. Inspire others to do well. Attitude. Have a positive mindset that guides how you think, feel, and behave. Integrity. To do the right thing even when no one's looking. Determination. Persevere towards difficult goals in spite of obstacles.
Welcome back, Scots.
Last announcement for today is that Prom 2023, A Night in Wonderland, is happening.
That's it for today. And remember to
Plat up!